Good morning, class. My name is Dr. Sadaf Siddiqui, and today I am here to discuss with you all three important topics which are really helpful for your competitive examinations. And the topics are synonyms and antonyms, one word substitution, and idioms and phrases. Now, candidates who are preparing for various government exams like bank, SSC, insurance, railway, UPSC, UPPSC, police, defense exams like CTS and NDA, etc. They are advised to go through these topics also because we know that English language is an integral part of the syllabus for most of these exams, right? So I have made this short video, it's a very short video, just to give you an introduction to these topics so that you could begin reading the list that I have provided in your Google Classroom. And the list is pretty extensive, and I'm sure that list is going to help you all. And it will also help you fetch really good marks in your exams. So let's begin. Um, so first topic that we are going to discuss quickly is what is a synonym. So it is important to know what is synonym. Synonym is not such a very difficult word. Synonym simply means any word or phrase which has which is the same or nearly the same as other word in terms of meaning, like the two words which have similar meaning are synonyms, right? So we can take the example of word compassion here. So compassion and synonym of compassion could be something very similar to compassion, right? So it could be kindness, sympathy, right? And then let's take another example. The word is boisterous. So the synonym of boisterous could be clamorous, rowdy, right? So next is what is an antonym? Now we know synonym is similar in meaning words, and antonym is opposite in meaning words. Like an antonym is a word or phrase that means the opposite of another word or phrase. For example, we'll take again the example of compassion. The word similar in meaning of compassion, the word which we are going to call synonym of compassion could be something similar to compassion. So sympathy and kindness, they were the synonyms, and here we have to pick something that is opposite of compassion, antonym, opposite. So here cruelty, etc. could come under that category. Now we'll take again the example of boisterous. Synonym similar in meaning of boisterous were rowdy, clamorous, etc. Now here opposite in meaning, antonym, opposite, are calm, serene, etc. Okay, so now I hope synonym and antonym is clear to you, and now when you'll go through the list, things will be more clear to you. You'll get a better picture. Okay, so now let's pick our second topic, which is one word substitution. So what is one word substitution? Um, One word substitution is the use of one word in place of a wordy phrase in order to make the sentence structure clearer. The meaning with the replacement of the phrase remains identical while the sentence becomes shorter. So let's take the example. So instead of a very long sentence, instead of a phrase, we can pick one word for that. That is one word substitution. Okay. So if the phrase is, for example, indefinite and very long period of time. So instead of saying this indefinite and very long period of time, we can say Ian, right? Uh, Another example, extreme physical or mental sufferings. So instead of saying this, we could use the word agony. Third example, a keeper or custodian of a museum or other collection. So the word that we could use instead of this sentence is curator. Feelings of great happiness and excitement, euphoria. Now last, very simple, very easy, safe to drink. When we say, is this water safe to drink? We can say, is this water potable? So we have replaced safe to drink with just one word, which is potable. Okay, now I have given you the list, and go through the list, and you'll really enjoy reading that, I assure you. So now let's come to idioms and phrases. Now we all know what idioms and phrases are, right? So we'll just quickly take the examples. Here I have taken the idioms and phrases, and I have given their meaning, and also have given you example. So it's just an introduction to idioms and phrases. The list has many idioms and phrases. So just go through the list, kids, and let's begin. To turn down. When somebody says, oh, I turned down that offer, it means I have rejected. The meaning is a rejection or a refusal. And the example is, how could you turn down such a fantastic offer? So here, turn down simply means, how could you reject such a fantastic offer? Now, next is a very common and widely used, every cloud has a silver lining, meaning good things come after bad things. Something good is going to happen, definitely, if you're going through some bad patch, some rough patch. So the example here is, though he had failed his exam, he realized that every cloud has a silver lining, as now he could focus his attention on things he loved doing. The third example is, against the odds. Okay, the meaning is despite a lot of difficulty, a lot of challenges. So example is, I really admire how Radha came back against all odds, came back despite all the difficulties and challenges to win the badminton championship. So I hope this is also very clear to you, and you can definitely reach out to me if you have any problem, but I'm very sure that you're not going to face any problem, because this is a very easy concept. All you have to do is very carefully go through the list, because I have picked some 500 one-word substitutions and some, more than 100, 200, 300 idioms and phrases and synonyms and antonyms. So I'm sure this is going to really help you, and I really wish you all the best for your future endeavors. And thank you so much.